Is your YouTube search history suddenly not showing up? Let's fix it in under a minute, starting on mobile. On your phone, open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture in the top right. Tap Settings, then go to History and Privacy. Make sure Pause Watch History and Pause Search History are both turned off. If they were on, turn them off, then close and reopen the YouTube app. Now try searching again. Your new searches should start appearing in History on mobile. On desktop, open youtube.com and click your profile picture in the top right. Click Settings, then on the left, click History and Privacy. Again, make sure Pause Watch History and Pause Search History are both turned off here too. If your history is still empty, click Manage All History to open your Google account activity. Check that YouTube history is turned on in your Google account so searches can be saved. Search again on YouTube. If these settings are on and not paused, your search history should now show on both mobile and desktop.